can boldly tell you the reception will change. Opa spiritual than the word spirit. The atmosphere will change. It no, they don't have that patience. They don't have that patience. The that is what they will do. Now, as I conclude, let me put it this way. And which is going on around us is because of Abuoso Sorema. Abuoso Koma, Abuoso Subani. This is what makes it that way. When I look at things that, when people eat, they throw it on the streets. And when I look at the injustice purported against, we bring, look at this coach that have molested this young boy and killed this boy. I've told you, we are sorry. Our boss was sorry. They can kill. Yeah. Can sodomize a little boy who is already on treatment for kidney and liver. You can sodomize even. Just say, can molest a boy. That is how, in America, the coach who was handling that beautiful gymnast, that girl is America's best in gymnastics. The coach kept molesting this girl. Whilst I'm standing here, I stand in an office of trust. The reason why all of you love and respect me is because of the office that God has placed me. We will not be meeting, we will not engage, we will not talk. The reason why is because of the office of trust which I stand. That office and that influence can never be abused. It can never be downgraded. It can never be compromised with. Yeah, but at the end, as you are seated here, you trust me beyond trust. That at the end you are. For example, a bus is here and a castle, you call your crew Monaco few drew a TB Mamma Bushi and Penny and no Ubejiet. Yeah, probably will be Jiminy as you drew and a code Tiano Ubejiet. A dear be on Monsua when you need that.